Assalamu alaikum, my friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, today let's sit and talk about something very real, very raw, like something we all face but rarely admit it. Because let's be honest that not everyone wants to see you succeed. And sometimes the people you least expect are the ones secretly hoping you to fail. Now, I'm not saying this to make you paranoid or bitter. I'm saying this because you deserve to open your eyes, protect your energy, and choose wisely who you share your energy with. Tell me honestly that have you ever noticed the moment you share good news, instead of smile, some people face tightens just a little. जैसे ही आपने उनको खबर अपनी सुनाई है अच्छी वाली, साथ ही उनका मुंह बन गया, साथ ही उनके मूड खराब हो गए हैं, और they quickly change the subject. That's not by accident. That's a sign. Success has a way of exposing people true feelings. Some people clap for you when you are struggling, but suddenly disappears when you shine. Why? Because your growth reminds them of where they are stuck. वो jealous feel करने लग जाते हैं. Your success becomes a mirror reflecting their insecurities. And that's the truth. It hurts. It really does. Especially when it's your close friends, maybe even family, or who suddenly grow quiet and distant. But you know what? This is also your test. Because success is not just about money, fame, or achievements. It's about strength. It's about learning to walk alone if you must. समटाइम्स आपने देखा होगा कि आपको बहुत बड़ी सक्सेस मिली है, लेकिन लोगों के उतने ही मुंह बनने शुरू हो गए हैं, लोग उतने ही जेलस होना शुरू हो गए हैं, या लोग उतनी ही हमारे बारे में बातें करने लग गए हैं कि ये ऐसा है, ये वैसा है, ये ऐसा है. हमारे अंदर नुक्स निकालना है. Ask yourself that why do you need everyone's approval anyway? Think about it that if someone can't clap when you win, do you really want to them in your corner? Now let me share something powerful with you. Like in life, you will meet three types of people. Firstly, those who genuinely support you, like rare but they exist. Those who don't care either way, bilkul neutral, no energy wasted. Or those who secretly hope you to fail. And trust me, these are the loudest when you make a mistake. But here is your secret weapon. Don't waste your energy proving yourself to group three people. Instead, double your focus, double your grin. Let your silence and results do the talking. And listen very carefully that you don't need to expose them. You don't need to fight them or argue. You just need to distance yourself quietly. You have to protect your peace, protect your mind, because success is not about being louder than your haters. It's about outlasting them. And remember this line that real friends don't get jealous, they get inspired. If your success doesn't inspire them, then their friendship was never ever real to begin with. So here is what I want you to do is that stop oversharing with people who have not earned the right to know your dreams. Keep your plans quiet, work in silence, and let your results scream so loud that even those who doubted you can't ignore it. And if you have ever felt hurt by someone's reaction to your progress, I want you to know you are not alone. We have all been there. But instead of letting it break you, let it build you. Let it teach you who deserves a front row seat in your life. समटाइम्स एक बहुत अच्छी लाइन मेरे ज़हन में आई है कि हम इतने कभी-कभी धोखे खा लेते हैं कि हम लोग जो जेन्युइन पर्सन भी हमारी लाइफ में आता है ना, तो हम उसको भी अपनी ज़िंदगी में जगह नहीं दे पाते, उन धोखों की वज़ह से। लेकिन ये भी गलत है। अच्छा सॉरी दिस इज़ नॉट आवर टॉपिक लेकिन बिकॉज़ एट द एंड ऑफ द डे सक्सेस डज़न्ट जस्ट गिव यू मनी और रिकॉग्निशन, इट गिव्स यू क्लैरिटी। Clarity about people, clarity about love, about who is really with you. So don't be afraid to walk away from those who can't celebrate your light. You don't need their approval. You just need your vision, your consistency, and your belief. And let me leave you with this: ke the more you grow, the smaller your circle will become, but the stronger it will be, inshallah. And if this message touched you, I would love to hear your thoughts. Have you ever noticed someone who didn't want to see you succeed? Drop your story in the comments and let's talk about it together. And if you find value in this talk, don't forget to subscribe because I have got so many more real conversations like this waiting for you. We are building a family here, one that claps for each other's success. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. See you soon in the next video, inshallah. Bye.